sound stripe.
Hello YouTube, it's me 𝐓𝐑𝐈𝐌, and today we're back in the garage and we're going to install a very simple mod, one that you'll probably like, a light that we're going to install under the hood. So first off, we're going to go and look at the contents. So let's open those up and see what we have. Alright, first off we have the actual light strip, which will be pretty easy to install. Got our ties and the part that we're going to hook up to somewhere on the body, somewhere on one of these holes. So we're going to figure out where the best part is there. Alright, so the best part I found right now, and trust me, this is a lot easier than the previous generation Chevrolet Trax that I installed it to. This is a 2024 Chevrolet Trax, brand new. There's a lot more options that you could add to. I found the best part right now is near the stopper, so you can pretty much align it to that and install it. So we're going to try that. And it's pretty easy. Once it's in there, pretty much screw the bolt in at the bottom. And you're just trying to align it with the hood. Trust me, and I say trust me because you don't want to lose this bolt like I did in a previous video, and try to find it. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is get the wiring in there and hook it up to that part there. You don't want to tighten these parts up yet until we figure out the length between this part and the hood. Okay, before we install this, I just wanted to add the parts that we're dealing with here. First of all, this is the part we're going to hook up to the battery, which is the positive. It comes with an inline fuse that's hooked up to the whole wiring system, and then this will be hooked up to the actual switch, which is the ground, which I think is great. Alright, so you can see it's secure and ready to go. So we're going to hook up the other wire. So like I said earlier, in this application we're using a 2024 Chevrolet Trax. We're just going to lift these two parts up here to get to the positive terminal and hook it up. It's very simple. Alright, so we've loosened the positive terminal. So we're going to let's see, put this in here and tighten it up. Right, so the next thing we want to do is find out where we want to mount it, and I haven't figured that out yet. These things have a sticky 3M tape on it, which don't always work. They'll work for a bit and then they'll come off. I usually use tie straps, so we'll see what we have to do there. And honestly guys, I don't trust the 3M, so I'm gonna actually probably tie strap it into these three and try to make the light go this way, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, so to get those off, I'm going to use this pry tool kit. I haven't chosen which one to use yet, but we're going to use one of those to get those off. So what my plan is here is to tie strap those in there and kind of tuck them in the back and just use those two holes. Maybe we'll put those pieces back in there later. Alright, so I've opted to hide it under this cowl here. I'm going to see if I can put some of these parts back in here. If not, it's in there tight. It's not 100% centered, but this is going to do the job. Alright, so these aren't going to click, but you can still stick them on there, and they'll stay. It looks pretty clean from here. So what's great here is you can hide the wire along this cowl here and feed it to where you want it to go, which is right there. Alright guys, so the next thing you want to do is clean up the wires. As you can see from there, there's not much you can see. Everything's pretty much hidden along here. We're going to clean this up, and what I like about this Chevy Trax is they give you places that you can put stuff into. The other cars that I've wired up weren't this easy, so we're going to put this together, clean it up nice, and install it. Alright, so there you go, nice clean install, no wires showing, and the light actually does a pretty good job. Very nice. Alright guys, so the final thing you want to do is adjust this part here, and you can pretty much go underneath, hold the bolt and adjust it, like turn it up from here, go up and down to adjust it, and it takes a little while. This is the Chevy Trax 2024 year, so it pretty much in this position it's all the way up from the bottom. So yeah, just adjust it, and you can actually when you're opening, closing the hood, you can see light. So when you close it to test it, to see if it goes off, that's the best way to test it. Alright guys, here's the night view. Bad. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I always love your comments. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and have a good one.